another live stream, my friends. I was in this time busy to make the live stream, but we are here now. So what gonna need to actually do, my friends? I gonna need to configure the YouTube right here to pick the chats of YouTube. It's a little time, my friends. Okay. Let me see here. So we have these chats that can right here select and click in my URL. You can see the shadow online. Okay, so guys, what you're gonna need to actually do today, we're gonna need to make a content for the LinkedIn to post about the header implementation and about the modal implementation, the drawer modal. So we're gonna need to open right here. In this live stream, I'm gonna make the contents about it. So let's go. Gonna need to actually do something different right here. I'm gonna need to make my account because I have hit have exited of my account. I have logged off. Agora eu falei 3 vezes, bagulho. Bom dia, viu, galera? Vamos lá, hein? Just a little password. Okay, let's create account. User already exists. Okay, I already have this user. Let me paste right here. So the password I think is the same. Okay, right here we are logged in. So let's wait some time. As you can see, we have this search, we have this icon to see the drawer model. Okay, we can actually change to another screen, as you can see, and they're gonna paint the section that you are. Okay, like cards, like purchases, something like that. Something that I want to make, my friends, just as simple, is to make this icon, this star icon, be a button. So to make that, we're gonna need to actually go to this star icon. I think it's right here. Yes, it's here. And make something like touchable opacity. But just one time, I'm gonna need to change my gloats right here. I'm gonna need to. O que é calça em inglês, rapaziada? Vamos ver aqui. Pera aí. Como é que é calça em inglês? Pera aí. Calça. Rose eu coloquei. Aí é complicado. Rose. Ok, né? Então tá bom. I need to change my rose here because I'm freezing a little bit. Okay, my friends? Just a little time. Just wait, please. Loucura, loucura. Fala lá. So let's go, guys. Let's make this little implementation of this mini star CVG button. Okay, just make a touchable opacity that's gonna need to actually place this mini star CVG. Okay, after placing that, we need to remind that this header in the rack navigation, we're gonna need to literally refresh the app to see the changes. Okay, so what you're gonna need to actually do, it is gonna need to go to the home menu. Okay, so what you're gonna need to actually do is literally place something like on present. Okay, you don't need to make a class to go to this home. Okay, function go to home. Okay, route. Okay, so after doing this, you're gonna need to actually make something to navigation. Right here we have something about it, as you can see. And in the old live that we have made, we has in trouble about this navigate right here. I just make it like as never to just pass, don't have too much problem right here. So returning to the question, we're gonna need to actually implement this navigation right here on here. I was just thinking like there's some props of navigation right here, but I don't think so. I don't know, man. But we can actually do that. Let me think something right here. Yes, we can make that, man. Let's do something right here, okay? So we have navigation right here. I'm gonna need to literally make something like navigate and go to the home. Okay, after this, you're gonna just need to import on the present, and it's okay. Ah, my nose, man, holy shit. So we're gonna need to actually do something different right here. I'm gonna just implement right here navigation. We are in here, okay? So we're gonna need to actually implement navigation right here. After this, we're gonna need to do something different. We're gonna need to pass the navigation right here, but we need to see what is this type. Omit navigation type, so we like this. Omit, I don't know, man. Show prop, get state, navigation state. Okay, I think it is gonna omit. I don't know, man. Omit. I don't think so. So let's see if it is gonna work. Let's place some navigation right here. That is literally the navigation. So after this, we literally have the navigation being used. But I was thinking like, no, just let like this. Let me just make something right here. Navigation prop. After this, we're gonna need to actually make something like that. Okay, more one or not? I think no. I think no. I think it's okay. So let's go. We literally have the navigation prop right here that you're gonna need to pass. And after this, we're gonna just need to use this navigation for this menu drawer. Menu drawer modal menu drawer. I don't know, man. Menu drawer modal menu. No, just let it be like this. So after this, gonna need to actually see something. Let me reopen the app. So right now, as you can see, we are opened. If we click it this, you're not gonna see. Holy shit, man. I was thinking like they are not like having the right thing, you know. We're gonna need to make something different right here, like this. But I think it is gonna give me a error. I don't know. Yeah. Let's see something right here. I was thinking like just let show navigation stage because I'm gonna need to set the other thing like the add listener, and I'm gonna need to have the navigation of the normal console, you know. I just place right here, and right here gonna just have the navigation again. Okay, on search don't work for now. We're gonna just need to make this work. But let's go, my friend. Let's test right here if it's gonna works. Just wait a little time. As you can see, we can press the SVG. Place this on this icon. Let's go. As you can see, there are the three working right here. We can click this, gonna go to home, and it's all right, my friend. I think so. This thing out works too, but I'm not gonna show this now because we're gonna need to um, record this and tell about this implementation. For me, the most hardest thing was this menu, my friend. Literally, this menu, this drawer menu, as something hard, you know. But my guys are gonna need to go to the bathroom. Just a little time, okay? And I will be back, okay, my friends? Just a little time, ok? Thanks. Já voltei, rapaziada. Tava me esquecendo de falar em português também. Bora lá então, rapaziada. Vamos ter que gravar. Gonna need to record this, my friends. Let's go. What we're gonna need to literally record is about this header implementation, and to record that, we're gonna need to make something like just a tests to know what you're gonna need to actually say, okay? So, let's go. Como é que eu posso fazer então, rapaziada? How can we make that? Hello guys, just show me on how to como é que é? Implemented the header and drawer menu and drawer modal and menu drawer modal implemented the header and the menu drawer, the modal of the menu and the menu and the menu modal menu implemented the menu modal menu modal, tá? Então, deixa eu pensar. Hello guys, just showing to you the implementation of the header and the menu modal, okay? So it was a little implementation, but this make como é que faz? É tipo perder tempo pra falar make some time. Perder tempo é tipo lose time. But this make me lose a little time because of some complexity things, okay? But let's go. Just to see how it was implemented. Não, eu já falei errado. So let's go show you how was the implementation. For now, the search bar don't gonna work like tá, não posso escrever porque eu tenho que arrumar esse negócio, cara. O modo escuro ele deixa um problema. The night mode makes some problem with the textures. In this case, with the Xiaomi. Okay, let me just remove that and go right here. Okay, media timer. No, it's not media timer, man. Start shears, okay. So let's go. We're gonna need to actually see right here. Notes typing is working. So we're gonna need to say about this implementation. Hello guys, just showing about this little implementation of the header and the menu modal was a little complex implementation because this was implemented with the React navigation or being a custom components of the header. So let's go. I was implemented this star icon to make go to the home page. Implemented this search bar. I don't have implemented the search of this bar, okay? Because I gonna need to have the items to search for make this implementation, okay? So what was hard to implement? The header wasn't hard to implement, but we have something. I don't know if it was a little more hard, but was the modal. As you can see, this is a drawer modal about the home. If I click something like wish list, I'm gonna go to the wish list page. This for now is using the same components as the home, but as you can see, they're gonna paint the wish list text, okay? And if you click in the star, they're gonna gonna give you to the home page, okay? And in the final, this is a component that I can pass custom components inside of this because of in this code, as you can see, literally in this top, if you can see, I was passing right here a custom component inside of this drawer modal because this drawer modal gonna be reutilized by the filter menu, okay, filter modal that's gonna filter the items. And as you can see, this is using some children right here to display. That is the children that we are literally sending right here, and because of that they're gonna see different things right here, okay? And for now is literally that. It was a little good work right here. I was able to learn new things, okay? And for now, the final thing that I don't have showed was the thing out. If you click this, you're gonna remove the data from the local storage of the logged user and gonna send you to the sign up page, okay? So is that, my friends. Thanks so much for your attention and have a nice day. Pô, ficou bom, né, cara? Eu poderia ter gravado. Porra, aí é foda, rapaziada. Eita, bicheiro. Bro, I literally, if I had recorded that, I literally can make it that being the final record, my friend. Holy shit, dude. But it's okay. Let's just go to the login and let's make this again. Holy shit, man. The autocomplete, no. Bora lá então, rapaziada. Vamos fazer aqui um negocinho rapidinho. Let's make this quickly. So let's go. Let's wait some time right here. Ok. Vamos lá, cara. Vamos fazendo full improviso. Let's improvise. Como é que é improvisar em inglês? Vamos ver aqui rapidinho. Improviso. Improvisation. Ah, faz sentido mesmo. Mas aqui é alemão, pô. Ué. Improvisation também. Aí é foda. Mas se for falar no alemão mesmo é Improvisierung. Então tá bom, né? Bora lá, rapaziada. Então bora lá. Vamos fazer isso aqui, galera. Bora lá. O bagulho é sério, meu irmão. Bora lá. Que eu vou botar pra gravar aqui também. Bem que eu podia botar o buffer de repetição, mas eu quero gravar mesmo. Bora lá. Tá, vamos lá então. Vamos começar. Bora. Hello guys, good morning. Just showing to you guys the implementation of the header of the main page and the main pages and the implementation of the. Nossa, que uma bosta, mas espera aí. Bro, it's literally a shit right here. Let's make something different, my friends. Let's go through here, just remove that, okay? Let's go. Hello guys, just make a sim. Just I'm here to just show. Hello guys, tá bom? Hello guys, just here to show the implementation of the header and the menu and the menu modal and the modal of the menu and the menu modal, okay? How can. Tá, bora então, vai dar assim. Bora. Hello guys, I'm here to just show to you how is the implementation of the header and the menu modal, okay? So let's go. As you can see, was simple but take a little time because some complex things and some bugs. But as you can see, we have this start that's gonna literally send us to the home page. We have the search bar right here. For now, this not works because I don't have the items to make the search that I want, okay? But just for now, and one crucial thing was this modal. As you can see, this is a drawer modal. This show the menu, and this is a component that I'm gonna reutilize. I don't think is that word, this word, but I'm gonna use in another cases. A case that I'm gonna just use this modal is the filter case. Gonna use in the filter of the items. But let's go. As you can see, this is a modal that I literally have passed some custom components right here, and I can close, of course. And if I click in the wish list, they're gonna send to the wish list page. That's it. For now, it's the same page of the home, but it's gonna make some cool thing that gonna paint the text of this. And if I just open this menu, click on the black screen right here, gonna close. And if I click on the star, they're gonna give me to the home page. As you can see, we are in the home, and we can sing out of the site. As you can see, they're gonna literally clear the local storage, the cache of the logged user, and gonna send you to the sing up, okay? About the implementation of this modal, I was said that we can pass custom components in this drawer modal. I can literally show to you guys. We have this drawer modal, okay? That's right here. We have a custom component. That is the links that I literally showed to you guys. That was the menu, okay? But as you can see, we have this drawer modal that inside of him you can see that they have these children. That is literally this menu that was showing on this modal, but is literally some easy use, okay? And for now is literally this, my friends. Thank you so much for your attention, and thanks. Have a nice day. Thanks. Bom, ficou bom? Pensar, a gente mostrou, cara. A gente mostrou, ó, nós implementou desse jeito, que não sei o que. Teve children ali, teve children pá. Deixa eu pensar se foi legal. Pô, gostei, cara. Algumas horas eu acho que ficou meio ruim. Não, não acho que ele ficou ruim em inglês, não, galera. Ficou bom, cara. Ficou bom, ficou legal. Quando ficou ruim, tá tudo bem. Só quero postar logo uma vez isso, cara. Tá louco? Tá. For me, the recording was great, but I don't know. I think they can be better, you know. But for now, it's great. Okay. We can post to have some divulgation about it. But I think we have said what we literally want to say, you know, what we want to show. But is that, my friends? Thanks so much for being this live stream. I think I'm gonna just finish right here. It's like literally 8 a.m. and 9 minutes, and I have to go to my job right now, okay? But eu acho que é isso, né, rapaziada? Terminamos por aqui, né? 8h10 já. É isso, tá? Thanks so much for being this live stream, my guys. Have a nice day. God bless. And this is that, my friends. I think that we're gonna have another live tomorrow and another day, okay? But is that, my friends. Thanks so much for your attention and being here. If one guy is in this live stream, thanks so much for being right here, okay? Obrigado, galera. Deus abençoe vocês, tenham um ótimo dia. Se tiver alguém aí na live, tamo junto. Muito obrigado pelo apoio. E é isso, galera. Fizemos o que nós queria. Tamo junto. Obrigadão, viu, galera?